Good morning, children. So let us continue discussing about the fifth chapter, that is fundamental unit of life. So today our subtopic is Golgi apparatus. In the last class we have already discussed about the ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum. So today we'll be discussing about the Golgi apparatus. So Golgi apparatus. So this Golgi apparatus is first described by Camillo Golgi. So this is the name of an scientist, Camillo Golgi. So he described this term Golgi apparatus for the first time. So as we can see in the picture, so this is Camillo Golgi. Then it consists of a system of membrane bound vesicles arranged approximately parallel to each other in stacks called cisterns. So this is actually the picture of the Golgi apparatus, and as we can see that it consists of a system of membrane bound vesicles arranged approximately parallel to each other in stacks, and these stacks are known as cisterns. So these membranes have often got connections with the membranes of ER and therefore constitute another portion of a complex cellular membrane system. So these membranes, they have often got connections with the membranes of ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum, and therefore constitute another portion of a complex cellular membrane system. Now the functions of Golgi apparatus. The material synthesized near the ER is packaged and dispersed to various targets inside and outside the cell through Golgi apparatus. So that means the function of the Golgi apparatus is like that of a post office. That means it is like a post office box of the cell. So its function is to pack and dispatch the various materials so throughout the cell and from inside and outside the cell also. So that is, the material synthesized near the ER is packed and dispersed to various targets inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. So therefore it acts like a post office box of the cell. So its functions includes the storage, modification and packaging of products in vesicles. So these functions includes, what are the functions of Golgi apparatus? It is the storage, modification and packaging of products in vesicles. In some case, complex sugars may be made from simple sugars in Golgi apparatus. In some of the cases, the complex sugar is also made from simple sugars in Golgi apparatus. So it is also involved in the formation of lysosomes. So it is also involved in the formation of lysosomes. So next we'll discuss about the lysosomes. So what are lysosomes? So lysosomes are a kind of waste disposal system of the cell. This acts as a waste disposal system of the cell, as we can see in the picture. So this is the lysosome. So it helps to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material as well as worn out cell organelles. So it helps to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign materials as well as worn out cell organelles, as it acts as the waste disposal system of the cell. So lysosomes are able to do so because they contain powerful digestive enzymes capable of breaking down all organic materials. That means whenever any foreign body, for example say a bacteria, enters a cell, so these lysosomes actually break them into tiny pieces and digest, and it can do so because it contains a very powerful digestive enzymes which is capable of breaking down all the organic materials. Whenever the cell gets damaged, lysosomes may burst and the enzymes digest their own cell. So whenever the cell gets damaged, that means there is a disturbance in the metabolism of the cell. So whenever there is a disturbance in the metabolism of the cell gets damaged, and in that case the lysosomes, it burst, and the enzymes which are actually present in the lysosomes, they digest the cell. So they digest their own cell. So therefore lysosomes are also known as suicide bags of the cell. So these are also known as suicide bags because sometimes whenever there is a disturbance in the metabolism of the cell, they burst, and as a result they digest their own cells. So therefore they are also known as suicide bags of a cell. So the question may arise here in this case that why lysosomes are known as the suicide bags of the cell. So in that case you have to write this answer. So lysosomes are also known as the suicide bags of a cell. Now structurally lysosomes are membrane bound sacs. So these are the membrane bound sacs as we can see in the picture. So filled with digestive enzymes. So these enzymes are made by RER, that is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. So structurally lysosomes are membrane bound sacs filled with digestive enzymes. These enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. So that's all for today. The rest we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.